Hi friends, today we are going to start class 11 chemistry. So basically we will start with physical chemistry. As you must know, all of you, that there are three main divisions of chemistry: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. So we are going to start physical chemistry chapter 1, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. So let's get started. Okay. Hope you like this lecture, and if you like so, please like or comment. Uh, After this lecture session, I will also add solutions of the chapters. Okay. So first we are going to start with the basic concepts of chemistry. So chapter 1, first we should start with what is chemistry. So what do we mean by chemistry? Basically, chemistry, it is the branch of the science in which we deal with the properties, with the structure, composition. Okay, what is the chemical composition? What is the constituent of a particular matter? What is the different structure? What is the different structures of it? Okay, molecular structure, atomic structure, like that, and other different properties. Also, mainly chemical property we will consider. So, branch of science deals with chemical composition, structure, and properties of matter. So, what is chemistry? In very simple words, it is the study of the branch of science, which basically in which we are going to learn about chemical composition, structure, and properties of matter. Okay, so that's about chemistry. Now, what are the main different parts we should study? Branches of chemistry. Basically, there are three main branches: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. But still, as a whole, we can study on a broader level. If we look, then we can classify in different parts. Likewise, first physical chemistry, then organic chemistry. We will take it one by one. First, an introduction, and organic chemistry, then analytical chemistry, nuclear chemistry, and the last one, biochemistry. So, what is the first point? Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry basically uh, is related to, this deals with the physical property. Physical property means that is, in this physical chemistry, we basically deal with the physical aspects of chemical compounds or elements or matter. Like in physical chemistry, we are going to learn about melting points, structure. Okay, basically all the physical aspects are there. So in physical chemistry, we are going to learn about the physical properties and the different physical laws, the different laws uh, governing the matter. Like we will read about different laws, gaseous laws, laws of volumes, laws of uh, basically the different laws that govern the chemistry, uh, the fundamental the fundamental system that basically govern the different chemical properties and chemical structure and like that, the different molecular orbital theory as we will read further in the next chapters to come, uh, the structure of atom like that, uh, valence and electron repulsion theory, SEPR theory, like that. Different theories, different laws are there. All the theory, basically physical chemistry covers all the theories, all the laws governing the chemistry, chemical compounds. What is the next? What's next? So physical chemistry, what they define, deals with the fundamentals, that is different laws and theories responsible for chemical properties, structure of matter. So all these things are covered in physical chemistry. Now next is inorganic chemistry. What is the inorganic chemistry? The branch of chemistry that basically deals with all the elements found in earth crust, uh, just except carbon in earth. Let except carbon and its compound. Okay, except carbon and its compound, except carbon and its compounds, all the different compounds basically will be in inorganic chemistry. All the compounds found in all the elements, their properties, their structure, their uh, reaction, how do they reaction, all these patterns of different elements, just except carbon. And we will going further in that detail why carbon is being accepted over there. Okay, so organic chemistry. What's in organic chemistry? In organic chemistry, we are going to study about carbon and its compounds. Why there is a large question in this, why we are separating all these carbon compounds into a different branch, that is organic chemistry, why it is so? The reason is very clear, as you already have taught in class 10th, that class 10th that carbon had unique properties different from its all other compounds, basically because of inorganic chemistry, because of its small size, and basically carbon forms a large number of compounds as compared to different elements. It is very different, so we should take into account this factor also. That's why we learn about compounds of carbon in a separate study, in a uh, separate uh, separate division we are studying organic chemistry. So what is in organic chemistry? That is compounds of carbon. Okay. So analytical chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with what is analytical chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with quantitative and qualitative analysis. Quantitative and qualitative. So what is this? What is this quantitative and qualitative analysis? You just have to understand this. Quantitative analysis means in the lab in the experiments also you will do experiments like this. For example, some test tube and some chemical compound. So basically, quantitative means to measure. You have to do measurements. So if you are measuring something in a test tube or you are making some solutions, okay, in terms of concentration, how the solutions are made by using a particular methods, different methods, which are uh, again further in the chapter, like molarity. All these are different methods of concentrating mass by mass, volume by volume. All these are different methods of expressing concentration, and what we are doing to make solution, that means we are doing quantitative analysis. Okay, what is the qualitative analysis? To identify the different properties in the lab. While we experiments, suppose we take some salt or some acid or base like that in a test tube, and we start doing experimenting, and we want to identify the different property, the chemical property, that is how it reacts with acid, how it reacts with base, like that, all different properties. If you want to identify that are covered in this topic, qualitative analysis. So analytical chemistry is what? The chemistry branch of chemistry that deals with the quantitative and qualitative analysis of elements or compounds of matter, basically. So this analytical chemistry is very broader topic. Here just we are going to understand this, and further we are going to talk about this likewise. So nuclear chemistry. What is nuclear chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with nuclear reactions. What are these nuclear reactions? The reaction that taking place on the nuclear level, that is inside the atom. We will also read further, but this is what you already know. There are nucleus inside this atom, and inside nucleus there are neutrons, protons, electrons in the outermost shell. All these reactions involving neutrons, okay, basically is called nuclear reactions. All these nuclear reactions, the study of these nuclear reactions, we cover under nuclear chemistry. What are the different nuclear reactions? Basically two types: nuclear fission reaction, nuclear fusion reaction, and there is also a process transmutation. All these are examples. Nuclear fission you must know, you already must have taught during 235 how it disintegrate with the help of neutron to smaller particles. And what is fusion? Thus the reverse of nuclear fission, that is two hydrogen atoms. They will combine to form helium atom. A large amount of heat and energy is released in these nuclear reactions. And basically these nuclear chemistry, why it has been separated also, just for sake of convenience. Basically these reactions are not so simple as they are looking now. So we have to study in in different part, different aspects also. Basically just we are going to not going into detail, just a basic thorough, not thorough analysis. That's why it looked like a easy topic, but basically they are all the nuclear energy that we are using today, nuclear power stations, nuclear reactors, all these nuclear weapons that we talk about today are basically we are going to read about in nuclear chemistry. What is next? Biochemistry. What is this biochemistry? The part of chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with living organism. The chemistry that is involved along with biology, that is living organism study, that is combined called biochemistry. And they are basically biochemical reactions involved. Whenever you will see biochemical reactions like photosynthesis process is not just a biological, it is not just a chemical process, it is a biochemical process, biochemical reactions taking place. Likewise, digestion of food, it is also a biochemical reaction, not only chemistry, not only biology. So both biological aspects and chemical organ aspects are combined in this biochemistry. So now we have gone through all the different parts of chemistry. What are the different parts of chemistry? Now we should move to next topic. What is the next topic? First, uh, we will start with chemistry. In chemistry, first we taught about what is uh, talk about different parts of chemistry. What is chemistry? Why we are? What is the importance of chemistry? So, what is the importance of chemistry? Obviously, as in 10th class, you have combined the topics, but now the different parts of chemistry have been, of science have been separated: physics, chemistry, and biology. What is the significance of chemistry? Chemistry itself is a broader topic. Today we see a number of issues around us, like uh, different diseases spreading and the different vaccination programs like that. Okay, uh, different treatment, all these things basically. And also, if you look at chemistry, there are separate some different aspects also. All these things we should cover. We are going to cover in chemistry. What is the unique thing about chemistry is most people understand that their reactions, we should learn these reactions, but basically that is not uh, right. That is not the right method of learning chemistry. Any subject you should develop an interest, basic interest in this, and that can be done not only by learning the reactions, but basically going through these things. What is next? The next topic is the properties. Properties of matter. So what are the different properties? There are basically two types: physical property and chemical properties. What are physical properties? That deals with physical aspects only, like melting point, boiling point, okay, and structure, how the taste is, how the smell is. What are the physical aspects that we can use our sense organs and we can identify these properties are basically covered in physical property. Okay, density, molecular mass. Okay, all these things are physical properties. What are the chemical properties? Chemical properties are that cover the chemical aspects, chemical composition. Chemical composition, nature, how is the nature like, what is the acidic character, what are its acidic properties, what are its basicity. Basic properties can have acidic properties, can acidity, basicity, or uh, chemical reactions, how do they react with oxygen, how do oxidation, reduction, how they are going to react with oxygen, nitrogen, different elements, how they are going to react. All these we are going to study in chemical properties of matter. So basically, physical property, chemical property. Now, what are the different uh, type of matter? As you have already learned these topics, that is different type of matter. What are the different type of matter? Basically, broader level, if you will, pure substances are there, and another one mixtures. Okay, you have already taught this. You have been already taught in class 9th and 10th. The pure substances. What are the pure substances? The substances which contain only just one type of particles, and all these particles basically have all the same property. They cannot be differentiated on the basis of mass, on structure, or like that. All the particles will be just alike in all their physical property, physical as well as chemical properties. So pure substances are different types. What are these? For example, first is, sorry, elements are there, not atoms. Elements, and elements, then they there are binary compounds, then there are polyatomic compounds. What are this? Elements, the pure substances that are made of just only one type of particles, one type of particles. What is that? Atoms. All these particles, all the similar properties, all the same particles are called atoms. Like this, binary compounds are what? That is made up of two elements, two different elements. And what are they? Have also the same type of particles, but the particles have been formed by combination of two elements in a definite ratio. In definite ratio. Okay. In a definite ratio, and the binary compounds. Okay. For example, two molecule, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and oxygen is there, carbon and oxygen are there. All these compounds can be called binary compounds. There are also some polyatomic compounds containing more than two compounds, more than two elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, like that. Okay, glucose, sugar, ketone, S22O11, sugar. And so there are different elements, different compounds, polyatomic compound that contains different type of molecules. But basically, the common unit is here is atoms in case of elements, and what is that in compounds? It is called molecules. Molecules are formed. Molecules are formed by the combination of different atoms of different elements. Okay, so basically, this is about pure substances. What are mixtures? Mixtures contains, they uh, they are not pure substances. They do not contain same type of same type of particles, but mixture contain more than one type of particles. That is more than one type of particles. So, what are different mixtures? What are the different type of mixtures? First, there are homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are also known as solutions. Okay. Solutions, example, sugar solution, salt solution. What is homogeneous mixture? That is the concentration of solute. Hmm? So what is solute? That is present in less quantity, and solvent is present in larger quantity. So what is the solute? Solute, the concentration of solute will be uniform. You can take anywhere from the solution, you will find the same concentration, same property. That is called homogeneous mixture. What is heterogeneous mixture? The particles are not thoroughly or completely mixed. The particles are not completely mixed. So there is no uniform composition. No uniform composition. What is here? Uniform composition. In homogeneous mixture, there is uniform combination composition, whereas in a heterogeneous mixture there is no uniform combination. Example you all know, like chalk powder and water. Okay, like this. Okay. So these are the different type. There are two different type also. So we studied homogeneous, heterogeneous. Then what are colloids? You have read thoroughly in ninth class about them. There are different colloidal solutions. The particles that are also not, they are also heterogeneous mixtures, but the particle size is very less. Example, there are clouds, mist, okay, foam, like that. All these things cover inside colloids. What are composite materials? Composite materials are also not, no, are not uh, pure substances. They are made up of different anonymous particles, different type of particles. We cannot confirm that what are the different particles, what is this composition. For example, different type you can consider organic. If you consider organic, you can take the example of wood. If you take an example of inorganic, okay, you can call plastics. Sorry, inorganic, you can take example of rock, different types of rock, mountains present on earth. Second, synthetic, ERP. What is ERP? It is a type of plastic. Okay, okay. Reinforced plastics, grade reinforced plastics. It called the substitution of plastics are coming in this. Then last one is product, that is dynamite. Okay. Dynamite is also. Hi friends, today we are going to start class 11 chemistry. So basically we will start with physical chemistry. As you must know, all of you, that there are three main divisions of chemistry: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. So we are going to start physical chemistry chapter 1, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. So let's get started. Okay. Hope you like this lecture, and if you like so, please like or comment. Uh, After this lecture session, I will also add solutions of the chapters. Okay. So first we are going to start with the basic concepts of chemistry. So chapter 1, first we should start with what is chemistry. So what do you mean by chemistry? Basically, chemistry, it is the branch of the science in which we deal with the properties, with the structure, composition. Okay, what is the chemical composition? What is the constituent of a particular matter? What is the different structure? What are the different structures of it? Okay, molecular structure, atomic structure, like that, and other different properties. Also, mainly chemical property we will consider. So, branch of science deals with chemical composition, structure, and properties of matter. So, what is chemistry? In very simple words, it is the study of the branch of science, which basically in which we are going to learn about chemical composition, structure, and properties of matter. Okay, so that's about chemistry. Now, what are the main eight different parts we should study? Branches of chemistry. Basically, there are three main branches: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. But still, as a whole, we can study on a broader level. If we look, then we can classify in different parts. Likewise, first physical chemistry, then organic chemistry. We will take it one by one. First, an introduction, and organic chemistry, then analytical chemistry, nuclear chemistry, and the last one, biochemistry. So, what is the first point? Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry basically uh, is related to, this deals with the physical property. Physical property means that is, in this physical chemistry, we basically deal with the physical aspects of chemical compounds or elements or matter. Like in physical chemistry, we are going to learn about melting points, structure. Okay, basically all the physical aspects are there. So in physical chemistry, we are going to learn about the physical properties and the different physical laws, the different laws uh, governing the matter. Like we will start, we will read about different laws, gaseous laws, laws of volumes, laws of uh, basically the different laws that govern the chemistry, uh, the fundamental the fundamental system that basically govern the different chemical properties and chemical structure, and like that, the different molecular orbital theory, as we will read further in the next chapters to come. uh, the structure of atom, like that, uh, valence and electron repulsion theory, SCR theory, like that, different theories, different laws are there. All the theory, basically physical chemistry covers all the theories, all the laws governing the chemistry, chemical compounds. What is the next? What's next? So physical chemistry, what they define, deals with the fundamentals, that is different laws and theories